Hey Fox, today I brought you a best amazing website to get your products, your digital products online at a much cheaper price and get their codes for at a much cheaper price. Approximately you're going to get around 50 to 62% discount compared to what you buy actually in the market. So here I'm introducing a website called Keysfan.com. Make sure it's a .com. Make sure do not change suffixes or other things because that could be fake. So you can see their service email is also support@keysfan.com. So this website is completely legit and work amazingly. So I'll teach you about all of their products, but before that I'm going to tell you something about them. They have lifetime activation and they're gonna refund if you want to refund. If you bought a product and you don't like it, you can get a refund on that and you can have the original product. So it's not a fake product or duplicate of it. So here we have this website and we are going to see what we gonna get. So today the product in the first section is MS Office. So we have exclusive offer on this website, and if you need MS Office, so we have around 62% on discount. And if you can't see the discount, make sure to remember this code TSC62. I'll provide the link down below of all the websites of all the products, and if you need any help you can comment down below in the section. So except Office, we can move on and get to another code. If you want, we can have something regarding Windows. We have 50% on Windows, so you can get a Windows 11, Windows 10 Professional. Anything could work. We have also bundle of Windows 10 and Office 2021, and you can get that on 62%. And we have PowerPoint as well. You have a discount on that as well, so you're going to get that at $28.27. And also Windows Server, we got it at much cheaper price. You're gonna apply this code to get 50%. Once we move down and we have Office Professionals, we have similar products on this website and other practical tools we have. So this website is packed with a lot of important softwares that you're going to need in the future, and it has around 166 pages of the products you're going to get. So we have a shampoo PDF Pro 4, we have Mac Booster, we have Ad Guard, we have Driver Booster, we have a lot of them. So if you can't find a product, you can just go into all softwares. Just click on all software, and in here you can search that product if you want to search any specific product that you're looking for. So if you can't find anything, you can go onto the side of the bar, category side. You're gonna see on hot sale, a shampoo products, new products, system tools, editing tools, download. So you understand what I mean. You can have anything. So if you want something for Mac, if you're moving away from the Windows side, even in the Mac system, we have iRing, Ad Guard, iCollection, we have iWrite Mouse, Downy. We have a lot in the Mac section as well, and you can see we have on the other page as well. So we have products on this one as well, side notes, Manico, AnyTrans. So you understand that this website has everything and it's 100% legit, and it's going to get you a downsize on a lot of things. So if you want to buy something, what you have to do is, for example, if I'm gonna buy on, if I go back, if I move back to Keysfan and get back to my original page, for example, if I want to buy this best sell Windows 11 professional key, I'm going to click on that. We have TSC50 on that. I'm going to click on buy. Once you click on buy, it's going to take you to a new page. So this is the product I'm going to buy. This is actually costing on the other websites or at the official website $214. We're going to get it for $229.99. So we have a discount on that as well. I'm going to click on add to cart. We're going to directly go into the view cart because we just want to buy this product. I'm going to click on view cart. And once we're on the view cart, you can see this product. So we have selected multiple products. I just did ones earlier. I'm gonna minus this one. We don't need this one. I'm gonna put it on action, and I just removed the other product. So this product is costing me around $29.99. I'm gonna click on proceed to checkout. Once I click on proceed to checkout, we are going to put our email address in here. and I can create a website if I wanted to. I'm gonna put my name, my last name, street, and city and everything. I'm gonna click on update after that once we're done with the details, and we're gonna click on, we already have a discounted product, so much discount cannot be applied. And if you pick any product that the discount has not been applied, you can put down the TSC 50 and apply the discount. You can get the discount in here, and after that you're just gonna place the order. And once you click on the place the order, you will get a screen down putting down the payments, and once you're done with the payments, you will receive an email and you will get your Keysfans, your actual software that you were looking for. So this is the major website you were looking for, and you are going to need this because we are moving into the digital world. And if you find this video really helpful, make sure to leave a comment below, subscribe to this channel. We'll see you in another video. Keep visiting Thai Schooling.